you want a topical herb that can be used for skin and tissue repair, then our herbal pick of the month is calendula. I never know if I'm saying that right, but I think I am. Anyway, this is more of a flowering type herb, okay? And it's pretty popular now. You can get it it originates in North America, Asia, and even Europe. So it's something now that I've seen more in skincare products, like topical products. So again, it's going to be good. You can take it in a tea, you can get it in a capsule, but I would mainly think of this herb for topical. So what it's good is good for anything. It's anti-inflammatory and it's also an antioxidant. And both of those things are good for the skin, for repair and for anti-aging. But I think it's mostly used more for calming and settling the skin. So for burns, for cuts, for bruises, anything topical. So again, this herb is excellent. I would look for it a lot of times they'll come in like salves or something that's like thick and almost like a Vaseline type of texture. And that would be great if you want to put it right when it cut. So even for a child, put it right on there and put a Band-Aid over it. Okay. So that's probably going to be best for that. But if you're looking for overall good health for the skin or help tissue repair or even moisture, it's usually in products that have moisture in it, you're going to look for it in a lotion. So it's a great herb that's just going to help the skin, even if you keep it in a salve in your medicine cabinet for occasional use or for your kids when they skin their knee or if you have a bruise. It's going to be great for that. And it's just an overall good herb for the skin topically to integrate into our lifestyle.